Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT 3 Pro. First, download the Huawei Health app onto your smartphone from its respective app store. It is available on both Android and iOS devices. Next, power on your new watch. It should have at least 20% battery, but charging it for 10 minutes beforehand is a good practice to ensure a smooth initial connection. This preparatory step is vital for a successful first pairing experience. With the app open, navigate to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Add Device option or a plus symbol, then tap it to begin the search for your watch. Crucially, confirm that your smartphone's Bluetooth is active and that your watch is powered on and ready to pair. Once your Huawei Watch GT 3 Pro appears in the list, simply select it to proceed. After selecting your watch, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the watch screen. Confirm this on both devices. Next, the app will prompt you to grant various permissions like location access and notification handling. Accept these to unlock all features. Take a moment to set your preferred language and time zone, then dive into the extensive collection of watch faces to personalize your experience. If you encounter any issues during pairing, simply restart both your Huawei Watch GT 3 Pro and your smartphone, then repeat the connection steps. Always keep your Huawei Health app updated to its newest version, as this often resolves compatibility problems. Regularly check for watch software updates to enjoy the latest features and improved stability. For consistent performance, fully charge your watch every 2 weeks or so, as its battery can last up to 14 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.